Once your dash cam is installed and you've taken it for a short drive, it should start updating its GPS location. Keep in mind that the GPS updates every minute while the vehicle is moving. To view a live feed, navigate to Live Video Stream. Select your dash cam, and if the device is online, go ahead and click Submit to start watching. To pull recorded footage, head over to Video on Demand. Select your dash cam. The system will let you know whether it's online or offline. Then choose your start date and time and your end date and time. Because of the amount of data involved, we recommend pulling one day at a time so it doesn't take too long to load. Once you've made your selections, click Submit. It may take a minute or two, but once it loads, the report will appear below. Click View to see your list of video clips. From there, you can view again to watch an individual clip or request to download it. A note on SD card storage. Keep in mind, you can only go as far back as what's available on the SD card. It automatically overwrites itself over time. How quickly that happens depends on how much the vehicle is being used. With typical usage, you can generally expect about 10 days of footage before it starts overwriting. So if something important happens, we recommend downloading that footage as soon as you're aware of it. And if the vehicle isn't drivable, say it's been in an accident, you can manually remove the SD card from the dashcam and download the data directly from there. Dashcam Alert Report. The alert report gives you a running log of all the alerts your device has triggered. Things like distracted driving, fatigue driving, collision detection, phone use, and more. These alerts are saved in the cloud, so you can access them anytime whether the vehicle is on or off. The Dashcam Alerts Summary View gives you a big picture look at your overall alerts, which vehicles are generating the most, and what types of alerts they are. You can click any of these boxes to view the details and watch or download the alert clip. And that's a quick overview of the dashcam features. If you have any questions or want someone to walk you through it live, feel free to give us a call or shoot us an email. Our contact info is on your screen.